Hi guys, welcome to Ultimate Forex. Today I have restructure of my labels. As you can see here, today morning we have discussed this is A, B, and C was undergoing, but I'm thinking that the C wave is completed at 1848. So let's see how the waves is going on. Now we can see here we will focus on these five waves. See, this is one, two. Sorry, guys. This is one, two, and this entire waves is three, and this is three. Okay, and this one is four. You can see here. This is kind of A, B, and C. This is four, and this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is ending diagonal. So in ending diagonal, the wave 4 can be penetrate the wave 1. So you can see here wave 4 high is penetrate to wave 1. So it is acceptable for the ending diagonal. So I assume that our 5 wave is complete here, and we are in a first wave of the fifth wave. Fifth wave of the higher degree. You can see here third wave is complete here at high of this 2070, and fourth is complete here. So let's confirm with the this wave. Generally this C wave is relation with the A wave of the Fibonacci. So let's see the Fibonacci of the A wave. You can see here. Yes. Mm, Setting. Yeah, we can see here 61.8 is around 1842, and we nearly the 1842 is our low was 1848. 1848. So there is two possibility here. Either we have completed uh, three wave here, and this is A, B, and C wave is going on, or this is 4 and 5 is complete here, and we are in a first wave. So important thing is generally fourth wave should not go beyond the 38.2 percentage of the previous wave. So let's see here. Yeah, our price is penetrate to 38.2 percentage. So we consider the our fourth wave is complete here, and fifth wave is complete here. So we are in a first wave of the fifth wave. So let's counting the inside of the first wave. So our correction is completed over here 1848, and we counting the 5 impulse wave. So on naked eye you can see this is one, two, third is in progress. One and two. So this is the third wave, and it may minimum 161.8 percentage. So our 161.8 is around 1911, or beyond the 1911 it may see 1928. So our first target is 1911, and the correction of this first wave is, let's see the correction. Yeah, correction is nearly 38.2 percentage. This is, it means this is the shallow correction. So after the shallow correction, price may go bit higher. So I'm expecting this is 1911, 1928 or 1940. So this is our target for this week or coming week. So we can give the label as 0, 1, 2, either 3 here or here or fifth. So after this 5 impulse, we may see a correction up to the 50 or 61.8 percentage of this entire rally, and that one is good chance to buy again. So hope you guys understand the video. If you like my video, and you can subscribe and share it. Thank you.